Ngayon, dumako naman tayo sa ating segment na kung tawagin ay Mythbusters. Sa segment na ito, ako ay may babanggiting statement at pakipaliwanag lang ng konti kung ito ba ay fact, katotohanan, or myth, sabi-sabi lang. Okay, number 1. Magandang maligo ng tubig na malamig pag tayo ay init na init.
Fact yan. So cold showers can help lower your body temperature and make you feel refreshed.
Okay, next. Being thirsty is the first sign of dehydration.
Myth yan. Actually, dry mouth is the first sign of dehydration. Thirst comes after. So if you already feel thirsty, your body is already starting to get dehydrated.
Sa madalit sabi, doktora, maski hindi nauuhaw, mas magandang uminom na ng uminom. Okay, ikatlo, ang heat exhaustion ay maaaring matuloy sa heat stroke.
Fact. Yes, so if not managed early, heat exhaustion can progress to heat stroke, which can be a medical emergency.
Okay, ito naman, sabi ng matatanda, okay lang bang magsuot ng dark colored during summer?
Myth. So dark colors actually absorb more heat. So it's preferred to wear light-colored or loose clothing to help you feel cooler.
Okay, ito, panghuli. Ang pag-inom ba, doktora, ng isang damakbak or galong-galong tubig ay makabubuti sa ating katawan ngayong tag-init?
So myth po yan, kasi too much water isn't always better. You need the right amount because overhydration can also be harmful. So drink regularly and in moderation, about 8 glasses per day.